How to unhide tagged posts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can unhide tagged posts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unhide tagged posts on Instagram, all you have to do is, let's say you go ahead and then make sure you launch the Instagram application, and then you come to the profile tab that you can find here. What you want to do is, let's say you have been tagged on a certain post and then you just happen to remove that from your tag list. So what you did was you tap the three dots option, you selected tag options, and then you selected hide from my profile. Now what do you do if you want to get those hidden tag posts back on your Instagram account? Well, it's actually very simple as well. So all you have to do now is just come to the search menu and then simply search for the person who tagged you in the post, and then go to that post and then simply go to that particular post where you were tagged, as you can see. Then tap the three dots option, tap on tag options, and here you'll find show in my profile. Now if you want, you can just go ahead and then unhide those hidden tag posts. This way you can unhide hidden tag posts on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.